Hello everyone, this module is about knowledge area group. Knowledge area group refers to grouping about all the knowledge area as per the BM BOK guide. These are the major components of project management and they are very important. They help you understand the structured framework in which we need to perform the project module, project management work and processes. How it will help you need to understand as a project manager, as a student or as a part of team member. It is very helpful to have an inside knowledge about project management. It helps you in enhanced understanding. It gives you a fair share about global perspective. It also helps in career development, in developing critical thinking. Having effective communication is the key. Helps you even the personal growth. Helps you developing problem solving skill. In total, it empowers you as an individual to face the world along with understanding of how to handle projects of various size. It is very important to have a knowledge about them. Why? Because these are like a comprehensive project management plans. They help you develop them. A clear, consistent knowledge about them gives you a command over the project knowledge, hence enhance you in the communication skill. Helps you in better planning. You need to understand. In a way, it also helpful to have an improved stakeholder engagement, and by having a fair knowledge about knowledge area, we can develop those skill sets. A continuous improvement is the key of any project, hence it is even a part of it. What is it all about? A structured approach which helps breaking down the bigger project into smaller one and hence give you the upper hand in handling them. Come join this program, understand more about it in detail with us. We will be looking forward to have you in the module. Thank you everyone.